In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your tax with FreshBooks. While FreshBooks doesn't directly file your taxes, it significantly simplifies the process by organizing your financial data and generating key reports necessary for tax filing. You can either prepare your tax return using these reports with tax software or hand them over to your accountant to handle. Before diving in, it's important to start by ensuring that your financial activity has been tracked accurately throughout the year. Use FreshBooks to keep a close eye on expenses by recording all business-related costs, either manually or by connecting your bank account for automatic updates. Capture receipts effortlessly using the FreshBooks mobile app to photograph and digitally organize them. As you send invoices and receive payments, FreshBooks automatically records these activities as income, helping maintain an accurate financial overview. To move forward, log into your FreshBooks account and head to the Reports section where you can generate essential tax reports. Start with the Profit and Loss or P&L report, as this is vital for your income tax filing. Navigate through Reports, then Accounting Reports, and finally to Profit and Loss. Make sure the date range covers your entire tax year, allowing you to see your total income, expenses, and net profit or loss for the year. Next, generate the general ledger report for a detailed chronological record of every financial transaction. This step aids in verifying that all your transactions are correctly categorized. Head to Reports, choose Accounting Reports, and select General Ledger. If you collect sales tax, produce a sales tax summary report by going to Reports, then selecting Sales Tax Summary. This helps in confirming your tax liabilities and ensures they align with your financial records. Once you have all the necessary reports, export them as PDFs or Excel spreadsheets to share or keep for your records. If a tax professional assists you, consider providing them direct access to your FreshBooks account or simply send them the exported documents. Invite your accountant via the Team Members section to enable them to directly review and adjust your financial data as needed. Alternatively, securely share all the exported reports and financial data with them directly. Finally, it's time to file your tax return. Though FreshBooks doesn't do this for you, the prepared information and reports make the task straightforward. For simple tax situations, manually enter the data into your chosen tax filing software. Otherwise, hand everything over to your tax preparer who will use these reports to meticulously fill out your tax forms, such as a Schedule C for sole proprietors in the US. Remember, while this guide provides a structured approach, always consult with a qualified tax professional to ensure you comply with your tax obligations and requirements accurately.